I'm setting off on a journey around the world to follow the butterfly effect. I want to see how even a single action on one side of the globe can have a profound environmental impact on the other. My journey begins in Germany, with a family rewilding their garden as a fun hobby, showing us that there are easy and surprising ways we can all make a difference. The common dandelions they plant can actually kickstart a series of positive ecological events. As the dandelions spread, they lead to a boost in a diverse range of insects, including the marmalade hoverfly. These marmalade hoverflies migrate thousands of miles every year to warmer climates, including Switzerland, where Will Hawkes studies insect migrations around the world. As they move from flower to flower, they boost plant growth and attract even more insects, creating a rich feeding ground for an unlikely planetary hero, the pipistrelle bat, known for consuming large quantities of insects. Many pipistrelle bats' migratory paths take them through Europe, towards Spain. Here in the Ebro Delta Bat Reserve, bat houses were erected to attract and support pipistrelle bats, who each consume thousands of insects every night, creating an agricultural alternative to harmful pesticides. This fascinating approach has been adopted far beyond the Ebro Delta, informing preservation efforts on the other side of the planet. Juliana Senawi is at the center of a significant preservation project in Malaysia's mangroves. Here, cave nectar and fruit bats, or flying foxes, are the primary pollinators of many mangrove species. Mangrove's dense growth and complex root systems form a first line of defense against erosion, flooding, and tsunamis. This natural barricade also benefits local fishermen and their communities. It just goes to show that it only takes the smallest of seeds to help towards growing a more beautiful and more resilient natural world.
Meanwhile, in the Atlantic forest in South America, another rewilding story is taking shape. In 2020, Zurich Insurance began a collaboration with non-profit Instituto Terra to help restore an almost destroyed part of this ancient rainforest. The Zurich Forest Project supports the planting of 1 million carefully selected seedlings over 8 years, leading to more flowers, insects, birds, and even wild cats, whilst also improving the lives of local communities, including 200 new local conservationists who are being trained as the next generation of forest protectors. So whether you are planting a dandelion in your garden or part of regenerating a forest in Brazil, we all have a part to play in supporting nature today to encourage a more resilient natural world tomorrow.